And a friend of mine said, "What's next for you?" And I told him, I really feel like there's a TED Talk in what I'm doing, and I want to go deliver a TED Talk. So we brainstormed what that would look like, and what we came up with was, at the very bottom of my signature line on my email, I had a solid double dash line, and in big bold red letters, it said, "My dream is to someday grace the TED stage." And then just below that, it said, "If you know someone who could help me make that possible, I would be forever in your debt. A simple introduction would suffice." And I put it at the bottom of my email signature line, and I just left it. And over the course of maybe 2 or 3 months of sending out emails, I'm sure thousands of people saw the message. And I ended up getting an email one day from a gentleman named Aaron, who had been a student at the University of Wisconsin, Milwaukee. And he said, "Adam, I'm on the curation team of this TEDx event, and you were the first person I thought of." So I went and I did my first TEDx event in the States, in Wisconsin. It was a great experience. I come home kind of riding this high of having accomplished my goal of a TED Talk. And not 2 weeks later, James, I got another email, this time from a woman named Sarah Durlacher, who's a dear friend of mine. And she said, "Adam, I'm on the curation team for a TEDx event at the London Business School. You were the first person I thought of." And so that's how it materialized. Again, it kind of felt like I'd manifested it.